share with you one of my favorite recipes, the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. It's a foolproof recipe which I am sure all of you are going to love. So let's get started. So I've taken half a cup of unsalted butter which I've just heated in the microwave. And to this I'm going to be adding half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Giving this a good mix till all the sugar is incorporated. Once mixed well, add 1 egg and give it a good mix again. The best part about this recipe is everything can just be done by hand. You don't require any mixer or anything whatsoever. Give it a good mix. And now I'm going to add the dry ingredients, which is 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all of this together until well combined. And lastly, I'm going to add half a cup of choco chips to this. Mix the choco chips into the batter. You will notice that the batter is extremely soft, but that's okay. We're going to anyway chill the dough for approximately 1 hour in the refrigerator. The choco chips have been nicely combined, and now I'm going to just put this into the fridge for 1 hour and I'll see you once it's done. The dough has been chilling. I've taken it out and I've taken a pan which I've lined with a silicone mat. I'm going to scoop out the dough, make a nice round ball and place it on the mat. I'm just going to add some extra chocolate chips on top just to make it look pretty. When you're placing your dough, just be careful that it's going to spread out, so leave some space in between the two cookies. And now I'm going to bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade for exactly 12 minutes. And I'll see you once they're done. So the cookies are out of the oven and they're looking absolutely great. As you can see, the edges are nice and brown and the center is soft and gooey. Don't think that they're underdone. This is exactly what we're looking for. I'm going to keep the cookies in the pan for approximately 2-3 minutes and then I'm going to transfer them to a wire rack to cool down completely. So our choco chip cookies are ready. They're looking great. As you can see, they have a nice crisp bottom and a gooey center. I'm going to break one and show. Wow. If you can see, this butterscotchy look is only because of my key ingredient, which is the brown sugar. You can store these cookies for up to 7 days, but trust me, they're best enjoyed right out of the oven. I hope you like this recipe and you're surely going to try it out. Don't forget to share pictures with us on Instagram. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you really soon with another great recipe.